demos, put the hot air and stuff out there.
Hello, I'm Dawn Foster from Agri-World. We're here at Cereals 2021, quite happily exhibiting our whole new minimum disturbance cultivation range for the first time all together, and it's lovely to be here and to see everybody. We can all gather for the first time. Primarily our new snap bar shear system, which means that there's no tools required to change when the leg breaks back. That's definitely something worth looking at, along with our new agri-packer, packer roller and an easy clean scraper bar, which means that you can pull the whole scraper bar system out. You can get rid of all the black grass and the soil and any other organic matter, so you're not transferring it to another field or dropping soil on the road. We've got the whole, like I said, the minimum disturbance range also includes our new Min disc cultivator, the low disturbance subsoilers for arable and for grass, and the front and rear mounted toolbars, which is the Mantis and the Assist.
Well, it's not on a pallet, like off the showground.
Okay, hi, I'm Mark from RDS MME. We sell products including trailer weighers, So either a single tractor-trailer combination or multiple trailer, proven very popular today, pre-harvest. We also have the Waylog, also very popular for telehandlers, loading grain into grain trailers. We also offer the yield monitor series, been with us for a long time now. We have Spraymaster, regulation and control, and also the Loadmaster system for loading shovels. So very pleased with the visitors we've received today. A good number of people. We weren't quite sure what the take-up would be, but farmers are still farming and we're very happy.
Hi, I'm Mike. I'm the Managing Director at KRM. We're here at Cereals. And one of the things we've got on the stand is the combo hitch from Suey. So this is a new system which allows you to connect a trailed implement to and from the tractor without leaving the tractor seat. So you just reverse the tractor mounted part into the part that's attached to your implement, lift up, and then hydraulically from the cab you can engage PTO, all your hydraulic services including air brakes if that's applicable, and also all the electronics. So that can be road lights, work lights, the camera system, and all your control systems as well. So that could be IC-bus or like a generic controller for that machine. So this takes coupling time down from minutes to seconds. That leaves you more time to be in the tractor operating the equipment and earning money. So that's improving efficiency for the business and your output in the day. So come along to Cereals and have a chat.
Hi, I'm Andrew Snell from PFC. Today we've got the 3 metre cultivator discs with the heavy duty lifting leg. We do offer a low disturbance leg option as well, designed for heavy duty operations, but at a reasonable price to make farming competitive again. Cereals has been very successful today, hopefully, with a lot of people interested in buying product at the right price, but also the right quality of product.
My name's Gavin Lishman from Martin Lishman Limited in Bourne. This is our umpteenth year at Cereals, and it's good to be back after the obvious gap. We've had plenty of good interest today, and in particular we're seeing that people are spending a lot of time and effort wanting to look after their grain in storage. Beyond that, we're looking at people adding to their ventilation systems and improving the efficiency of those systems, particularly the use of energy when they're cooling their grain. That's obviously becoming an important element of our daily lives, and it is also affecting the bottom line on farms, and we can help them to do that with some of our equipment.
So it's literally a case of push onto your bale and then tell you if it's dry at risk or wet. Simple as that.
Hi, I'm Rod Morris from Desangos. We specialise in adjuvants, water transitioners, slug pellets. Here today we have our demonstration unit called Spraywise. The main purpose of the unit is to demonstrate the wetting agents around our adjuvants. In particular, we can show off the way they spread across the leaf and able to maximise that technology, especially in use with herbicides in particular. We also have the benefit of a wind tunnel built into this unit as well, which is able to demonstrate the drift retardant properties around some of our products, like Validate, for instance. And the whole operation takes around 15 minutes. We're running it on a 2-hour basis, so please, come along and have a look if you fancy knowing more about our adjuvants.
Especially around things like plant protection products that we put on and responsibility around